Hi again, this is Irfan with Nikon F3 today. It's a recent find. I thought let me share my find with you guys. This is a phenomenal Nikon F3 camera body. Looks pretty good. I've installed brand new batteries and it's working fine. Appears to be in a pretty decent shape in terms of cosmetics. It does show some wear, but it's expected from this kind of camera. I've seen some use, but works well. Nikon F3s are very well made and highly desirable cameras. I would say best possible film cameras ever made in the history of Nikon film cameras. Slightly better than I think they are better than F2s. F2s are very solid. F3 doesn't feel that solid, but is better in terms of exposure, metering, etc. F3, there were in fact 3 to 4 different models: F3, F3 HP, F3T. This one is an earlier F3, I believe the first version. Pretty decent, I would say a good find. If anybody among you has ever used F3, you are most welcome to write to me. I'm going to put a roll in it and see how it turns out to be. I have some Nikon lenses, in fact a good number of Nikon lenses I could use on this one to get an idea how they turn out to be. As I said, in case you have any questions, comments, feel free to write to me. Let me see what I find today. I'm planning to go to 2 different estate sales this evening and see what I pick up from there. So I'm going to share that with you. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much.